Yeah, folks, we are in Yosemite, and I am not driving. My buddy Rick over here, Rick is my good friend who watches my cat in my apartment when I'm out on all the other trips we take you on. So today we just took a day trip to go see some waterfalls. That river is raging. Rick's mentioning we're feeling a lot of cool air coming right off of the water. We're going to take a little walk up the mist trail, probably not do the whole thing, but we'll show you some stuff. It's gonna fill up with water real fast, but here you go. Look around. Rick spied that one way up there. You can see here it's pretty backed up, and we're seeing scenes like this all over the valley. You know, it's outletting to the river there, but big backups all over from the waterfalls coming in from the other side. What a beautiful day. It's around 80 degrees, light breeze.
Yeah, there's even a section of this campground behind us that's actually closed because it's flooded.
Yeah, yeah. Yep, there's Rick checking out Half Dome.
Wow.
And we're gonna go take a look at Yosemite Falls and probably head out soon. Been a pretty excellent day.
Okay, nice to meet you.